Installing an air baffle. The front air baffle and rear air baffle replacement procedures are identical. Align the tabs on both sides of the air baffle with the corresponding slots on both sides of the chassis. Lower the air baffle into the chassis and press it down until it is securely seated. If you disconnected the M.2 drive cable, reconnect it. If you removed a RAID supercapacitor module, reinstall it and connect it to the RAID adapter with the extension cable. Install the top cover.